In this short video, we will share some tips and information and try to cover the topic of how to create an Art Deco inspired interior design in your space. Art Deco interiors are characterized by elegance, glamour, and a strong geometric aesthetic. To achieve this look in your space, consider these tips. Use a monochromatic color palette. Art Deco interiors often use a monochromatic color palette of black and white, with the occasional use of metallic accents such as gold or silver. Add geometric shapes. Art Deco interiors often feature geometric shapes such as zigzags, chevrons, and sunbursts, which can be achieved through the use of patterns in textiles, tile work, or lighting fixtures. Use luxurious materials. Art Deco interiors often include luxurious materials such as marble, mirrors, and lacquer. They can be used in a variety of ways such as marble floors, mirrored furniture, or lacquered walls. Add metallic accents. Art Deco interiors often include metallic accents, such as gold or silver, which can be achieved through the use of lighting fixtures, hardware, or artwork. Use symmetrical and balanced composition. Art Deco interiors often use symmetrical and balanced composition by placing furniture and decorations in a balanced and harmonious way. This is achieved by using pairs of lamps, sofas, or artwork. Add vintage or antique elements. Art Deco interiors often include vintage or antique elements, such as vintage lighting fixtures or antique mirrors, to give your space a sense of historic elegance. Add a touch of glamour. Art Deco interiors often include a touch of glamour, which can be achieved through the use of luxurious materials, sparkling light fixtures, or plush velvet fabrics. By following these tips, you can create an Art Deco-inspired interior design that's elegant, charming, and full of character. Remember, the key to creating a successful Art Deco-inspired design is to balance the use of geometric shapes, luxurious materials, and metallic accents. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.